As the sun dips below the horizon, casting long shadows across the land, a bright light emerges in the twilight sky. This celestial beacon shining with an ethereal glow is Venus, often referred to as the evening star or the morning star. Depending on its position relative to the sun, Venus has captivated skywatchers for millennia. Its brilliance is unmatched by any other star or planet in the night sky, a testament to its proximity to Earth and its highly reflective atmosphere. For centuries, Venus was shrouded in mystery. Ancient astronomers, observing its movements across the sky, believed it to be two separate entities: Phosphorus, the morning star, and Hesperus, the evening star. It wasn't until the development of the telescope that astronomers realized Venus was a single planet orbiting the sun just as Earth does. Venus is often called Earth's sister planet due to its similar size and mass. Like Earth, Venus possesses an atmosphere and a rocky surface. This resemblance, however, is only skin deep. Beneath its alluring veil of clouds, Venus harbors a hostile environment, a stark contrast to the vibrant, life-sustaining world we call home. While Venus may appear as a beacon of beauty in the night sky, its surface is anything but inviting. The planet is shrouded in a thick, toxic atmosphere composed primarily of carbon dioxide, with clouds of sulfuric acid swirling above. This dense atmosphere traps heat, creating a runaway greenhouse effect that has turned Venus into the hottest planet in our solar system. The surface temperature on Venus can reach a scorching 900 degrees Fahrenheit, or 475 degrees Celsius, hot enough to melt lead. This extreme heat, combined with the crushing atmospheric pressure, makes Venus an incredibly inhospitable place. The surface itself is a desolate landscape of volcanic plains, towering mountains, and vast lava flows. Venus rotates incredibly slowly, with one Venusian day lasting longer than a Venusian year. It also spins in the opposite direction to most planets, a phenomenon known as retrograde rotation. This means that on Venus, the sun would rise in the west and set in the east. Despite the extreme conditions on Venus, scientists have long been fascinated by this enigmatic planet. Over the decades, numerous missions have been sent to study Venus, seeking to unlock its secrets and understand its evolution. One of the earliest successful missions to Venus was NASA's Mariner 2, which flew past the planet in 1962. Mariner 2's instruments confirmed the intense heat of Venus's atmosphere, a finding that stunned scientists at the time. The Soviet Union's Venera program achieved a series of firsts, including the first successful landing on Venus in 1970. The Venera landers transmitted valuable data back to Earth, providing our first glimpses of the planet's surface. In the 1990s, NASA's Magellan spacecraft used radar to peer through Venus's thick clouds, creating the first detailed maps of the planet's surface. Magellan's images revealed a world shaped by volcanic activity, with vast plains, towering mountains, and evidence of past lava flows. Section 4. New discoveries on a hostile world. In recent years, scientists have made remarkable discoveries about Venus, challenging our understanding of this enigmatic planet. Studies of Venus's atmosphere have revealed that the planet is losing water at an alarming rate. Researchers believe that a process called dissociative recombination is responsible for splitting water molecules in the upper atmosphere, allowing the hydrogen to escape into space. Observations from the European Space Agency's Bepi-Colombo mission, currently en route to Mercury, have shown that Venus's atmosphere is leaking carbon and oxygen. These findings suggest that the planet's atmosphere is not in equilibrium, raising questions about its long-term evolution. There is also growing evidence to suggest that Venus may still be volcanically active. Scientists have identified several regions on the planet's surface that appear to be relatively young, suggesting recent volcanic eruptions. Section 5. The future of Venus exploration. The quest to understand Venus is far from over. Several ambitious missions are currently being planned that promise to revolutionize our understanding of this enigmatic planet. NASA's Da Vinci mission, scheduled to launch in the late 2020s, will send a probe to plunge through Venus's atmosphere, collecting data on its composition and structure. Da Vinci will also attempt to capture the first high-resolution images during its descent, providing an unprecedented look at the planet's surface. Another NASA mission, Veritas, will orbit Venus with a powerful radar system, creating the most detailed maps of the planet's surface to date. Veritas will also study Venus's geology, searching for clues about its past and the processes that have shaped it over billions of years. These missions, along with others planned by India and the European Space Agency, represent a renewed international effort to unravel the mysteries of Venus. By studying this hostile world, we can gain a better understanding of planetary evolution, the limits of habitability, and the possibility of life beyond Earth.